Dr. Panda.
Hello!
Come on, let's go and have some fun today.
Okay, I've just loaded the last bit in the truck. We're all done.
Awesome!
Great! And my sheets will soon be nice and dry. Moo! Oh, no! Not again! Dr. Panda, what are we gonna do?
No worries, Moo. I've got a plan.
Great! A plan. What's the plan?
We're going to catch the litter.
You mean chase after it?
No, catch it with a net. The way Moo's sheep caught Toto.
Oh!
That's so smart.
Yes!
Hey! There! That's not going anywhere.
Thanks for tidying up the garden. Eventually.
It was all Toto's idea, really. You've got a new idea.
Balloon!
Well, that's an adventure for another day. You'd better get your washing in before it flies away.
Oh, right. Bye now.
Bye, Moo. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye, Dr. Panda.
Bye-bye.